atmosphere, etc. Then we're going to go back to that original concept. You know, I sort of all right, let's talk a little bit about the forest story. Now, first off, our planet, before we even get to worry about life, our planet formed by a process called accretion. Basically, what that means is an old star blew up, and then eventually those parts begin to coalesce again. They start to come together. Big fancy name called an accretion ring, which we don't have to worry too much about. But those superheated gases are going to come together. Gravity is going to force them together. The explosion forced them apart. Gravity is going to force them to come back together again. So we had a point on our planet where our planet was just a big blob of gas. That's all it was, this superheated material. Our whole planet was gas. It was possible to drop you on the top of the planet, you'd fall right through it, and then get pulled back up and then bounce down until you wound up in the center because of gravity. You know, millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of degrees. Super hot. Not a big surprise when stars blow up, they're pretty bad. Well, eventually, time goes by, and what's going to happen to that gaseous planet? Over time, it's going to do what? In
Evolve.
space, over time, everything does what? Same thing happens to your coffee. You can leave it sitting on your desk.
It's cold.
Cools down. So over time, that superheated gas planet begins to cool. And cool and cool and cool and cool and cool and cool. So what's going to be the next stage for our planet? Once that big gas ball cools down, what's our planet going to look like?
Solidified?
Nope, not yet. We skipped a step. What's that form of matter that exists between gas and solid? Liquid. So we actually get to a point where our planet was nothing more than a big blob of gas, a big blob of liquid. So we have our gas planet originally, then we have liquid. Oops, spit out. Again, millennia go by, millions of years goes by, that liquid begins to cool. Then what?